Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12 SE, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. To get started, you want to open up your dialer application and then click on the Contacts tab for that and navigate to Settings. And here we're going to select Import Export and then Import from SIM, which will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, you can probably select all of them. You might have some contacts that are grayed out. If you do, then those contacts already exist on your phone and the device is just stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. Now, you can also click right here to select all of them or deselect all of them quickly. And from there, click on Import, which will give you a pop-up letting you choose where you want to import your contacts to. So if you have multiple accounts signed in, you can choose them from the list right here. I only have one, so that's what I'm going to select. And that imports my contacts. And when I go back, I should have access to them in here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the dialer from Huawei isn't the greatest, so it now displays duplicate contacts in a way that these are on a SIM card, while these are on a phone, or more precisely on the account. So to get rid of these, I would need to pop out the SIM card, unless there's some setting in the actual settings, which I never actually checked. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.